Nature letters. Hi, everybody. Can you join me writing our ABCs with things that we find in nature? There are so many different things that you can find outside to use to make letters with. You can use flowers that you find outside. These are buttercups from my yard. Wood chips, stones or rocks, a dandelion that I found in my yard, more sticks or nuts or tree seeds that you find. Just make sure that you ask a grown-up before you pick things because you don't want to hurt any plants that are trying to grow. I have tons of dandelions and buttercups and clover in my yard, so it's okay if I pick these because I have lots more. You can practice making uppercase and lowercase letters. I made an uppercase I and a lowercase I with dandelions, just for fun. I also made an R out of clover for my name, Rachel. What will you write?